Hello everyone! Today I wanna make Bolognese pasta, the easiest Bolognese pasta. Stay tuned with... Where is my knife? Divide the vegetables into smaller pieces so that they're easier to puree in the food processor. Celery, carrots, garlic and onion. Keep calm. After pureeing the vegetables, add it to a large pan and heat until the water of the vegetables reduces. Then add olive oil to it. Deglaze with red wine so that the food uniforms. Fry the minced meat for 6 to 7 minutes. Then add tomato paste. Add oregano, dried basil, red chili, salt and bay leaves. Fry to smell the aroma of spices. Add tomatoes to the food processor and mix a lot. Then pour into the pan. Add rosemary and water and let it cook for 45 minutes without the dough, until the color of the food turns completely red. The final step is cherry tomatoes, which we add in the last 1 minute. Cook the spaghetti with salt until al dente. What do you think I paid attention to? Be sure to serve with Parmesan cheese and parsley. Our attractive Bolognese pasta is ready. Enjoy! Buon appetito!